is Akari. She handles all the heavy restorations.
The UH083 is a rare find, even in this condition.
As you can observe, the patina on this UH083 is quite developed. The rust here tells a story of its long service life.
Here's the agreed amount. Pleasure doing business with you.
Likewise. She's all yours now.
Hello, dispatch. I'm scheduling the Hitachi pickup for the morning. It's fully rusted, so handle with care.
Look at the rust on this one.
We'll need to secure the boom first.
Make sure that shackle is fully seated before you tighten it.
Got it. Just checking the tension now.
Hold it up. Right there is perfect. Shut it down.
All right, hoses are set up.
Look good. We can start the wash now.
The coverage looks good on this section.
Make sure to hit the underside near the bolts.
Still quite a bit of rust here on the boom. Yeah.
Yes, and the seams still have some grease embedded. We'll need to hit those again. This section here, the main lift arm, shows severe laminar corrosion. I'll mark the edges now for the prep team. All right, that's centered. Okay, grab the pin and lock it down.
Okay, pull slowly now. It's moving. Watch your hands.
Just a little to the right. Easy now. Okay, that's seated. Tension's clear.
Okay, the hydraulic cylinders go here, right next to the tracks.
That matches the schematic. Make sure the counterweights are secure.
The surfaces are definitely worn, but the structure seems intact. The rotation is smooth enough.
Lower slowly, watch the pins.
Almost there. Bring it slightly to the left. Hold it steady.
Look at the pitting here near the injector line. That's deep.
Yeah, definitely a high priority zone. We'll need to blast this section.
Did you get this section here?
Yep, just finished it. Looks clean.
Okay, let's move to the tracks. How did that section look?
Get the seam okay.
Yeah, it's fully coated. Nice and even texture.